In this video, we are going to discuss the template feature. From the dashboard, we'll navigate to the feature list on the left side, and near the top, you'll see template. When you click on the template menu, a few pre-titled folders will appear. These are designed to quickly access report templates, medical release forms, contact letters, miscellaneous files, or any custom template. To create a custom template folder, we'll go into the custom template and you'll select Add Folder. You can give the folder a title, and you'll save that title, and there you can see a custom folder has been created. Then you can bring in any of your templates into that new folder. However, for this demonstration, we are going to remain in the report template folder. Once you're in the folder, you'll see Create Template, the Guide button, Generate Template from multiple documents, and an area to locate and upload your template documents. So in a moment, we are going to discuss creating a template within the program. But before that, I'd like to show you a template that I may regularly use for reports. Here I have a basic report template. I have the date at the top, my client's name, my client's address, and some of the case information like the case number, the subject's name, and the date of the incident, and then the space where my report will be written. So this is a template that I frequently use. So I'm going to show you how Caseflow Investigator's report feature can help streamline the process for generating reports or templates that you frequently use. So what we are going to do is create a master template. So I'm going to use this report template to create my master template, which will then be added to CFI and used to create templates through the program. So what you are going to first do is identify all of the information that changes from template to template. So for this report template, the date will always change. My client's name will likely always change, and their address. And of course, the case details will change from case to case. So once you've identified the frequently changing information, you're going to enclose that information in the left and right brace. These are also known as the curly braces. So go through your template and enclose all of the frequently changing information in these braces. Now, once you've done that, we're going to give these pieces of information a title. So I'm going to title this as the header date. This will be my client name and client address. Here we have the case number. Here we have the subject name. And here we have the date of incident. Now what we've done is we have created a code that CFI can read to then generate templates through the program. So here you can see I've enclosed all the frequently changing information and titled them with a proper title. Now I'm going to save that document, and I'm going to browse my files, and I'm going to find that report template here and bring it into CFI. Now here I have a contact letter, and as you can see, client name, client address, I've gone through and enclosed the changing information and given them their titles. I've also gone ahead and done that to a contract. So I'm going to also bring those files, the contact letter and the contract. Okay, so I've brought those 3 documents into my template feature. Now, when you want to generate a template, you simply click the action button and generate template. Now you'll see that you'll be prompted to add information, and this information is the same information that you enclosed in those braces and gave the title to. So here you see header date, client name, client address, case number, subject name, and the date of incident. So if we go through this and we'll add some different information, so let's say it's January 12, 2026. And we'll go ahead and click complete. And we'll select our desktop. Now here you can see that template was quickly downloaded to my desktop. Here we have the header date, the client information, and the case details. So you can just continue this process each time that you need to make a new template. You click the action button, generate template, and fill in this information. This eliminates the need to go to your templates and manually delete and retype information. This also ensures that the information is structured properly inside of your template and is formatted the same way each time. You can generate templates for any type of document: reports, interview questions, contracts, letters, medical release forms, whatever type of document you frequently use that has regularly changing information each time. It is a much quicker process to give yourself these prompts and fill in the information here and generate it in the same format each time. Now you'll notice under the action menu that there are a few other options. We have edit or view a document. So if you open this, you can make edits to your document within the program. You can download the document out of CFI. And of course, you can delete the document. And then this is the button you press to generate a new template. Now let's go ahead and quickly prepare a template inside of the program. We'll go ahead and click Create Template. And we'll say this will be another report template. So we'll go ahead and make that bold and underlined and bring that to the center. Then I'm going to say investigator CFI. Then I'm going to add some changing information. So I'm going to start with the left brace and say case number, subject name, date of incident, investigation type, and I'm going to bring that to the center, and I'm going to make that bold and underlined. So now I'm going to give this a title, say report template number 2, and save this. And here you see that that is now saved in my menu. And when I go to generate this template, I'll be able to add a case number, my subject's name, date of incident, and the investigation type, and generate as many templates as I need. Now, let's say you have a new case that you're working on, and you'd like to generate a contract, a contact letter, and a report template all at the same time for that one case. So you can do this by clicking Generate Template from multiple documents. First, you'll choose the template format that you'd like to use. So let's go ahead and use our report template. We'll click that and continue. Then we're going to add our information. So December 18 is today's date, and our client is now different. Case number is different. Okay, so we've added our case information, and now I'd like to generate a contract, a contact letter, and a report template, all for this case. So I've selected those 3 documents. Going to click complete, and I'm going to choose my desktop to download that to. And now I'm going to click on that file, and here are all 3 of those documents. And as you can see, that information has been added to all the appropriate positions on my 3 documents. So that is a way that you can very quickly create all the documents or templates that you may use for a single case, all by only inputting the information one time. And again, if you get stuck or need any additional information, always remember that you can click the guide button for detailed steps on how to use a certain feature. That does it for the template video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.